how to edit Game Booster pop-up apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and from here, so scroll down, then tap on advanced features. Next in here, we then scroll down and tap on Game Booster settings. After that, we then scroll down and then tap on Edit Pop-up Apps. In here, tap on Add Apps. And from the list of available apps, you can add it to the list. So select one or multiple apps, then tap on Done. So here are a list of pop-up apps while you are playing games. So if you want to remove, you can touch and hold onto that to select. So I can't touch and hold. So let me see. So if I tap on Add App at the top here, there are delete buttons that you can delete. So you have to delete it from in here. So it's kind of strange that you have to add apps and then go in here at the top. You can then delete the apps, the pop-up apps, and then tap on Done. So that is how you can add or remove the pop-up apps in Game Booster. And that's it. So let's add in a few apps and have a look. So Amazon Shopping, Apple Music, and Google Assistant, and then tap on Done. Now if we go back to our Game Booster, so I'm going to go into Roblox game, and here I will tap on the in-game panel, and then if I swipe across here, there are pop-up apps that I can open. So here, the phone application, I can tap on that, and that will allow me to open up pop-ups. So essentially, I can use the apps while playing games so that I do not need to exit my game. So I still can open up the phone application and make a phone call while playing games, or I can quickly open up another app such as the YouTube app or Apple Music, so I can launch Apple Music and play a song, and from there I can play music on the background while playing game. So that's the cool thing with the pop-up app. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.